In this video, I will show you how to change spacing in Squarespace. So what you're gonna have to do is simply select any page and then simply click on edit. Then you're gonna have to select the section and then simply click on edit section. Now, as you can see, you have here the grid, so you can increase if you want the grids or decrease. Here you can change the gap, as you can see, so you can play around with these settings, as you can see right here. Now you have the section, as you can see, fill screen, height, alignment, styling, and you can also select individual items here, components, and you can simply remove them around the screen. As you can see, you can resize them if you want. You can place them all over the screen, so you can simply drag and drop. So basically that's all you have to do in order to change spacing in Squarespace. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.